The most popular CarPlay screen isn't always the best. Most people assume bestseller means best quality, but when you dig deeper, a lot of these adapters and screens either overpromise or fail where it matters most. Today, we're breaking down 5 real options that actually deliver.
Product number 1. GemLoose Wireless CarPlay Adapter. The GemLoose Wireless CarPlay Adapter, a $30 dongle that turns your wired CarPlay into wireless. What caught my eye was its bold claim of 40% faster connection and a 7A microchip. If you're tired of plugging in your phone every time you drive, this could be a game changer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.3 with an 8-core processor, which means navigation loads faster, music streams without stutter, and Siri responds almost instantly. It supports over 800 vehicle models from 2015 onward, and once set up, it auto-connects even if your phone is in your pocket. That means no more fumbling with cables while driving. Just hop in and go. Now, some people might worry about long-term durability. The product has 0 reviews despite 10,000 plus sales, which feels sketchy. Honestly, that's a red flag. But given the 365-day warranty and the fact that it's built with aluminum alloy tested for 50,000 plus insertions, it seems built to last, if the company actually stands behind it. This is perfect for you if you already have wired CarPlay and want a cheap, no-frills way to go wireless. Skip this one if you need Android Auto support or want proven customer feedback. At $30, it's a solid gamble for convenience.
Product number 2, Amsfield Mini Adapter. The Amsfield Wireless CarPlay Adapter, another $30 option, but this one comes in a slick brushed cobalt blue and claims plug-and-play simplicity. If you hate clutter and want something that disappears into your car's interior, this might be your pick. What makes this stand out is its universal compatibility with over 800 car models and iPhones from 6 onward running iOS 10 Plus. It connects via USB-A or USB-C, so it fits older and newer cars alike. Setup takes just 3 steps. No apps, no updates, no headaches. Once connected, it remembers your phone and reconnects automatically, even from your backpack. That's huge for people who value seamless daily use. But here's the thing. Like the GemLoose, it has 0 ratings despite 6,000 plus sales. That's concerning. Also, it only works with factory wired CarPlay systems. If your car doesn't already support it, this won't help. Still, the 2026 upgraded IC chip promises stable GPS and audio with near 0 latency, which is exactly what you need when navigating busy streets. This is perfect for you if you want a clean, reliable wireless upgrade without spending $100. Skip it if you drive a Tesla or BMW, it's not compatible, or if you need Android Auto. For the price, it's a smart, minimalistic solution.
Product number 3, Lodge 6QT Oyster White. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be better for long-term value, the Lodge 6QT in Oyster White. At $90, it's pricier, but this is a brand known for durability. Lodge brings serious reputation to the table. This enameled cast iron Dutch oven offers top-tier heat retention and is PFAS-free, a big deal if you're avoiding harmful chemicals. It's oven-safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, works on all stovetops, and the enamel is tough enough for daily use. The 6-liter capacity is ideal for soups, roasts, and even sourdough bread. Over 2,000 sold in a month shows it's trusted, even at this price. The catch, it's heavy, like really heavy. And while it's labeled dishwasher safe, Lodge still recommends hand washing to preserve the enamel long term. That might annoy people who want true set-it-and-forget-it cleanup. But honestly, if you're investing in a pot that could last decades, a little hand washing is a fair trade. This is perfect for you if you want a lifetime quality Dutch oven from a brand that's been making cast iron since 1896. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or have wrist issues. This thing weighs a ton. But for serious home cooks, it's worth every penny.
Product number 4, Krunia 9.26-inch portable screen. But if you don't have CarPlay at all, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Krunia 9.26-inch portable screen is a full wireless CarPlay and Android Auto display that mounts on your dash. At $80, it's pricier, but it's the only one here that adds smart features to older cars. This screen delivers 1600 by 600 resolution, sharper than most built-in systems, with 550 candela per meter squared brightness that cuts glare even in direct sun. It supports voice control, Bluetooth 5.0, FM transmission, and even a backup camera. The 5G Wi-Fi ensures smooth streaming, and OTA updates mean it won't become obsolete. It's like turning your car into a modern infotainment hub overnight. But be warned, if you're on Android 16, you'll need to manually update via the Evolink app to fix connection issues. That's a hassle, and not everyone will want to deal with it. Also, it requires external power and mounting, which isn't as clean as a plug-in adapter. This is perfect for you if you drive an older car without CarPlay and want a full upgrade. Skip it if you already have a built-in system. You'd be duplicating features. For the tech lover who wants control, this is a killer value.
Product number 5, Tyran Minicube Adapter. The Tyran wireless adapter wraps things up with a focus on design and reliability. At $30, it's another budget-friendly option, but what sets it apart is its ultra-compact cube design, 50% smaller than most, with side vents to prevent overheating. If you want something that blends in and lasts, this could be it. It uses dual-band Wi-Fi and auto-reconnects every time you start your car, no setup needed after the first time. The angled USB connector ensures a snug fit even on bumpy roads, and it comes with both USB-A and USB-C adapters. Plus, it's FCC certified and includes free lifetime firmware updates, which means it'll stay compatible as Apple rolls out new features. The catch? Again, 0 reviews. And like the others, it only works with factory-wired CarPlay. Also, it warns against using fast chargers or 12-volt adapters. You must plug it into the car's OEM port or risk damage. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, future-proof adapter that won't clutter your console. Skip it if you need Android Auto or drive a non-supported vehicle. For clean, reliable wireless CarPlay, Tyran makes a strong case.
So which one should you buy? If you already have wired CarPlay, any of the $30 adapters, Gemloose, Amsfeel, Burnt Sugar, or Tyran will work, but Tyran's build quality and updates give it a slight edge. But if your car lacks CarPlay entirely, the Crunia portable screen is the only real solution. Just remember, popularity doesn't equal quality. Do your research, match the product to your car, and you'll get the upgrade you actually need.